The Fisherman and His Soul by Oscar Wilde. In the morning, the fisherman gets up. He says to his soul, "I am tying my hands, so I cannot do what you want. I am closing my lips, so I cannot speak your words. I am now returning to my love, to my little mermaid. I am returning to the sea. I can call her, I can tell her about my evil doings and about you." But his soul says, "Why do you want to return to her? There are lots of beautiful girls in the world. There are the dancing girls of Samaris. They dance with bells on their hands. They dance and they laugh. Their laughter is like water. Come, don't think about your mermaid. Come, follow me." And there is a city full of blue and white peacocks. In this city there is a beautiful girl. She dances for the peacocks. She dances on her hands. She dances on her feet. She dances and she laughs. She has jewelry on her feet, and when she dances, it rings like bells. Don't think about your mermaid. Come, follow me." But the fisherman does not answer. His hands are tied, and his lips are closed. He travels back to the sea, back to his love. And on the way, his soul tells him about wonderful things. But the fisherman does not answer. His hands are tied, and his lips are closed. His soul asks him to do evil things, but he doesn't listen because he is full of love. The fisherman arrives at the seashore. He unties his hands and he opens his mouth. He calls to the little mermaid, but she does not come. The soul laughs at him and tells him to come away. But the fisherman does not answer his soul. He builds a house in the side of a rock. He lives there for a year. Every morning, every afternoon, and every evening, he calls to the mermaid. But she does not rise from the sea. He looks for her. He looks in the sea, in the caves, and in the pools. But he cannot see her. The fisherman's soul tells the fisherman to come away every day. But the fisherman ignores him. His love is strong, and he ignores his evil soul. 1 year passes. The soul thinks, "I say lots of things to my master, but he does not listen. His love is strong, and he does not follow me. You don't listen when I tell you about all the beautiful things in the world," says the soul to the fisherman. "Now listen when I tell you about the world's pain. There is suffering everywhere in the world. There are hungry people. There are poor people. There are ill people. Come, follow me. Let us help these people. Come with me to help them. Don't stay here. Your mermaid does not answer you. Come with me and help them." But the fisherman does not answer. His love is strong. Every morning, every afternoon, and every evening, he calls to the mermaid. But she does not rise from the sea. He looks for her. He looks in the sea, in the rivers and in the valleys. But he cannot see her. 2 years pass. One night, the soul says to the fisherman, "You don't listen when I tell you about all the beautiful things in the world. And you don't listen when I tell you about the pain. Your love is strong. I have no more stories to tell you. Please, can I enter your heart? I want to be in your heart again." "Come into my heart," says the fisherman. "You are suffering without a heart. Come." "Oh no," cries his soul. "I cannot enter. Your heart is full of your love. There is no room for me." "I am sorry," says the fisherman. At that moment, there is a great cry of sadness from the sea. One of the sea folk is dead. The fisherman runs to the seashore. The black waves are carrying a white body. It moves like a flower on the waves. The waves bring the white body to the shore. The fisherman sees the body of the little mermaid at his feet. The little mermaid is dead. The fisherman throws himself down. He lies next to the body. He kisses her cold red lips. He touches her hair. He cries. He holds the dead little mermaid. He cries and cries and cries. He tells the dead little mermaid everything. He puts his arms around her neck, and he talks into her ears. The sea is black. The waves hit the shore. The sea is a monster. It is angry. Sad cries come from the palace of the Sea King. The Tritons blow their horns. The sea comes close to the fisherman. "Run away," says the fisherman's soul. "The sea is coming. The sea wants to kill you. Go to a safe place. You cannot send me to another world without a heart." The fisherman does not listen to his soul. The fisherman looks at the little mermaid and says, "I want love, not wisdom. I want love, not riches. I want love, not dancers' feet. Fire cannot destroy love. Water cannot destroy love. I call you every morning and every evening, but you do not come. I know I am guilty, but your love is always with me. It is strong. But now you are dead, and I want to die with you." The fisherman's soul tells him to leave the seashore, but the fisherman does not leave. His love is too strong. The sea comes close to the fisherman. The sea and the waves cover the fisherman. He kisses the little mermaid, and his heart breaks. Now the soul can come into his heart, and they are together again in love. And the sea covers the fisherman and his soul with its waves. In the morning, the priest goes to the shore. He wants to bless the sea. The sea is big and black. The priest goes with his monks and musicians and other people too. They walk in a procession to the shore. The priest finds the fisherman dead by the shore. The fisherman is holding the body of the little mermaid. The priest is shocked. I cannot bless the sea. I cannot bless the sea folk. I cannot bless the fisherman and his mermaid. Take this man, bury him in the ground at the field of the fullers. Do not bless him. He is with the sea folk. The people dig a deep hole and bury the fisherman in the corner of the field of the fullers. There are no flowers there. 3 years pass. It is a holy day. The priest goes to the church. He wants to talk to the people about God's anger. He enters the church and he bows before the altar. The altar is covered with white flowers. What beautiful flowers, thinks the priest. The priest turns to talk to the people. He wants to talk about God's anger. But he sees the white flowers. They are beautiful, and they smell sweet. He cannot talk about God's anger, so he talks about God's love. The priest finishes talking, and the people start to cry. The priest's eyes are full of tears too. The priest asks the people, "What are the flowers on the altar? Where do they come from?" "There are new flowers," say the people. "We do not know them. They come from the field of the fullers." The priest is afraid. He goes home and he prays. At dawn, the priest goes to the sea. He goes with his monks and musicians and other people too. He blesses the sea. He blesses everything in the sea. He blesses the sea folk. Then he blesses everything in the woods. He blesses everything in God's world. And the people are full of joy. Flowers don't grow in the field of the fullers now. And the sea folk never come to the seashore. They go to another part of the sea.